Hey there! Welcome to the official Optimly YouTube channel. I'm August, and in this video, I'll walk you through how to connect your chatbot or AI agent to Optimly using our public API. If you're new here, Optimly is a platform that helps you understand and improve how your users interact with AI. We analyze every conversation, detect issues like user frustration, and surface insights to help your agent get better over time. Whether you're using a custom-built chatbot, a third-party provider, or your own front-end, we make it easy to plug into Optimly and start collecting data immediately. So, what exactly can you do with the Optimly API? 1. Send messages to your agents. 2. Create chat sessions for your users. 3. Capture leads directly from your forms. 4. Schedule appointments. 5. Trigger email handoff to a human agent. 6. And integrate everything into your current stack. No lock-in, no migration required. All of that with just a few simple HTTP requests. First things first, you'll need your API key. Head over to app.optimly.io and log in. Click on the Agents tab, select the agent you want to integrate, and go to the Configuration tab. There, you'll find your API key. Copy it and store it somewhere secure. You'll need it to authenticate all API requests. Reminder: each agent has its own API key, so if you're managing multiple agents, make sure you're using the right one. Now, let's send a message to your agent using the enhanced Chat Agent v2 endpoint. Here's the structure of the request. You'll send this as a post request to, and don't forget to include your API key in the headers. Once you send the request, you'll get back the agent's reply, and if any tools like lead collection or scheduling were triggered, they'll appear in the response too. Before sending messages, you may want to create a new chat session using the message new chat endpoint. The response will return a chat ID you can use to maintain context across messages. This is especially useful if you're working with multiple users or sessions. Once your messages are flowing, Optimly automatically analyzes them and displays them in your dashboard. You'll see message history, most frequent questions, frustration and abandonment flags, tool usage, sentiment and intent session level engagement metrics. Everything is tracked and visualized, so you're no longer blind to what's happening inside your agent. To recap, with Optimly's API you can 1. Send and analyze messages. 2. Capture leads. 3. Track conversations. 4. And surface powerful insights about your AI agents, all with a few lines of code. If you haven't already, start with our free developer plan at app.optimly.io or explore our full API documentation at docs.optimly.io. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the rest of our tutorials.